Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn numbers in French 1 to 100. Les nombres. Les nombres. The main are 1 to 20. If you learn them easily, then rest of the numbers won't take time. Let's start. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Now 11 to 20. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. D'accord, okay. So these were 1 to 20. Now let's go to 21 to 100. Before that, you should know that 21, 31, 41, 51 and 61, they all include ETA in between. So 21 is 21, 21. 22 is 20 plus 2, 22, 22. Then 23, 23, 20 plus 3. Similarly, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. And then the word for 30 is 30, 30. Similarly, 31 to 39 are going to be 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2 and so on. This same thing is going to happen till 70. Let's see the numbers from 31 to 70. 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39. 40, 40. 40 is 40. So 41 will be 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. 50 is 50. So 51 will be 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60. 60 is 60. So 61 will be 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69. And then 70 is 70, 70. It is 60 plus 10. So now the system would be 60 plus 11, 60 plus 12, and so on. Let's see 71. 71 is 71, 71. Then 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79. Then 80 is 80, 80. It is 4 multiplied by 20. And remember that only here we have S in the spelling of where. So 81 will be 80 plus 1, 81, 81. Similarly, 82 to 89 are going to be 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90. 90 is 80 plus 10. Now 91 to 100. 91 is 80 plus 11. So 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and 100 is 100. So, let's see one more. 1000. 1000 in French is mille. Mille. Now I'm going to tell you how to write year. Let's say we have 1947. So it would be like this. 1000. 1000 is mille. Mille. Then 900, which is 900. 900. And then 47, which is 47. 47. So it will be 1947. Let's take one more example. 2004. So 2000 is the meal, and 4 is quatre, quatre. So it will be the meal quatre, the meal quatre. That's how you can write year. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next one. Au revoir.